Alright guys, 2019 Transit Connect. You're going to remove the glove box. There are some pins that you're going to have to slide out right here. Let's see if I can get one. Alright, the glove box is going to be hinged right here. So you're going to take your small flathead screwdriver and slide these out. One here and one here. Slide them towards you in the inside, and the glove box will slide out. Now for power, this plug right here has two wires on it. Push the clip in, bring it towards you. You can work on it easier. Brown with red is constant, green with orange is ignition. Plug that back in. I grounded it right there. Let's see. Alright, and there's a bracket up here underneath the airbag. You can zip tie your tracker up here. And that's it. Fuses are right there. That's it.